You should just have seen some footage from my Mini 3 Pro of the flood relief area behind the football stadium in Elgin, Briggs. Now, the trouble with coming out and filming with your drone is you end up taking a massive bag like this with you, and it's just a pain in the butt. So I've got something else with me today. So I've got supposedly the best consumer autonomous following drone with me today, but the good thing is it fits in your pocket. I'll try and take it out. There we go. Hover X1 Pro Max. Let's see how good it is at following. Now I've just shown you, or I will show you, a little tunnel of trees that's grown here in the flood alleviation area since it was all bulldozed, and they've grown up and they made this natural tunnel, and it's really narrow and it's really quite nice to ride through. But before I ride through it with a drone following me, I'll see if it can follow me walking through it and see how good this little thing really is. Here it is ahead, the Tunnel of Doom, looking rather splendid in autumn colours. Okay, so he's on low and middle distance. Let's see how he does. Off we go. I can still hear him. Nae bother. Nae bother. It's wider than it used to be. So one thing I wanted to test is what happens if you put this thing in orbit and then start walking. Now a minute ago it did this sort of circle where I had been, but facing me out with the circle. I don't know how that's going to pan out. Let's see what happens now then if I start to move. Are you going to follow me? Or are you going to follow where I was? Sun's bright. Follows where you are. Okay, ultimate test then is the Dolly track, and we've got it on far and flat mode through the Tunnel of Doom. She's holding the dogs. I hope there's no one coming through. Right, let's do this thing. Okay.
Far Dolly track.
I'm going the wrong way. That's it. Keep on that line. This way. No, too close to something, eh? Okay. So this was just a wee test of the drone to see if it would follow me through the Leafy Tunnel of Doom and whether it would dolly track through the Leafy Tunnel of Doom. But also I was interested to see if it would do an orbit around you whilst you moved or whether you had to stood still. So yeah, we've had some successes and we've had some fails, but overall it looks really good, I think. And it's not a review, it was just me testing it for me to see what it can actually do. Here's a wee montage to show you the beautiful autumn colours that were out that day. And yeah, I hope it's of some use to you, because it is for me. Cheers on that, Baba.